Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So today's video, I'm going to be testing out the new Maybelline Tattoo Waterproof Brow Gel, and this can last up to 2 days. It's not the peel one, this is the brow gel. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we're gonna see how good this product works. It says short smooth strokes starting mid-brow, then fill and blend from the start of the brow. Fill tail, optional, blend and groom with spoolie. So let's just go in and apply this to the mid-brow. Oh, that is pigmented. Okay, so mid-brow and then fill in the tail. Okay, so that did fill it in pretty dark, but it's kind of reminding me of my WUNDERBROW, but this one's more of a gel, because here's my WUNDERBROW. So my WUNDERBROW is more of a gel, but you could brush it on as well. But I wonder if I put some in the back of my hand, if I could work it in. I'm pretty sure I can. So I already did that part. Looks like I gunked on a lot. So I'm just going to apply some to the back of my hand, like that. So using an eyebrow brush, I'm going to grab some of the product. Just because a product says, oh, you have to use it this way, doesn't mean you can't get creative and bust out some more of your tools. Okay, so see at the beginning of my brow, I'm just going to lightly blend this in and do small strokes. Drugstore always stepping it up. And I'm just gonna kind of fill in over here too, because I need to fake a brow. I like how it faked it right here though, for sure. Okay, so I like how that came out. Like, look at that. Look at that, look at that. It looks really good. Okay, so since we're using Maybelline, I will be using my Maybelline Master Camo Color Corrector. Going in with this concealer shade right here and a little bit of the yellow. Alrighty, so there it is. Cleaned up. I'm pretty impressed. Like, it's like, all right. You guys see the small strokes that I did right there? Oh, so I would recommend going in with your eyebrow pencil and just feathering that in instead of just gooping that in there. You know what I mean? So just really small. We're gonna do the swipe test. No product. So I got some water. Hold it underneath my chins. Don't want to get my chins wet. Okay, here we go. Oh! Let's see, let me rub it. Let me rub. It is waterproof, that made me so happy. So I'm rubbing through my eyebrow. Can you guys see that? Like, I'm rubbing through my eyebrow. Nada. Okay, let's do it again. My eye. It's just water. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna rub through it. Nothing. I'm impressed. Okay, so I think this is a win. The only thing that's coming off is my concealer, but hey, I'm not mad at it. Like, I am not mad at it. Like, look, just rubbing through it. Look. Nothing. Okay, let's do this eyebrow. Okay, let's do both eyebrows like this. Nothing. What up, girl? Oh, dang. Take her swimming on the first date. Be like, oh, ew, that's underneath my jean. Ooh, I am pretty impressed. It freaking works. It works. That is awesome. Okay, guys. So if you guys are looking for something waterproof, whether it's because you want to go swimming or because you're going to the gym or just because your eyebrows tend to get oily, I say give it a try. Give it a freaking try. And it says it lasts up to 2 days. So if you guys watch the vlog, I'll be vlogging so you guys can see how well it holds up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to keep updated my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah! Bye.